I'm gonna show you how to have a perfect laundry hygiene routine. 1. Read proper washing and drying labels. Make sure you're washing colors with colors, whites with whites, and using the recommended settings. 2. Wash towels often. You may think that shower got you squeaky clean, but towels can pick up excess skin and body oils, causing odor and dinginess. Ugh. Wash your towels after at most 3 uses. 3. Wash your sheets, people. Think your sheets are clean? Look again. Our sheets absorb all kinds of invisible soils like sweat and body oil. Wash your sheets at least once a week for clean sleeping. 4. Use a deeper cleaning detergent. A high-quality detergent cleans your clothes at the fiber level to get rid of the stains you can see and the ones you can't. What the heck? And that's it. 4 simple steps to cleaner, more hygienic living. Share this video for a cleaner, more hygienic world.